Hey guys, una naming biyahe to in 2 years na magkasama. Order muna kami ng breakfast. So breakfast sandwich ko to from Little Flower. May Little Flower na dito sa NAIA Terminal 1 na departures. Very excited. 2 years na hindi salpak ng salpak nakasakay ng eroplano. Guys, okay ba yung bago nating hair? Bangs na yan. Bangs. Yan. So, breakfast muna kami. Kasi nagulat kami. We came to the airport 4 hours before our flight. Sabi nila, 4 hours daw kailangan. Walang pila eh. Sobrang efficient. hindi ako sponsored ng NAIA. Walang pila, guys. So, yan ang kinakain ko. So, tuloy, we have like 2 more hours till our flight. So, okay na rin na may dito. Pwede tambayan. So, yun. Brunch muna kami dahil hindi kami kumuha ng food sa flight namin para pwede lang matulog. So, kain muna. Ano kinakain mo? Ano yung order mo?
Adobo. Adobo rice. It's good. Parang may chicken and pork siya.
Guys, dahil nagpapanggap tayo ng healthy, umorderan tayo ng fruit box. Tsaka may orange juice din ako and may usual na espresso. Ito may dragon fruit siya, may pineapple, pakwan, melon, and oranges. Kailangan puro vitamins tayo dito dahil biyahe. Ayaw mo magkasakit habang kayo namamasyal. Tamis lang? So, Trixie booked I think it's a new brand or it's been here for a while. Zip Air. We did Zip Air. It's a budget airline. Pretty cool. Nice new plane, new seats. Wala lang in-flight entertainment, pati sa gitna. So, tulog na lang.
Ikaw ang in-flight.
I will be the in-flight entertainment. So, yeah. See you when we get to our destination. It's 11 p.m. local time here sa Tokyo. Nakarating na kami sa aming hotel finally. Okay naman yung biyahe. It just really took some time dahil from the airport, Narita kami, From Narita all the way to yung station namin, mga 1 hour din. So okay lang. We went on a 7-Eleven run. Yun na lang yung bukas dito sa area namin na ganito gabi. Hindi siya yung tipong maingay, which I like. Dati nakapag-Tokyo ako, sobrang ingay ng lugar. Di kami makatulog nun. So yan, got a couple of snacks. Chibugin na namin. Ito yung Nanban Karaage. My favorite. I really love Nanban Karaage is yung parang chicken na fillet na fried na may egg salad lagi na dressing. Yan, meron sila. I got an onigiri that has pork and an egg. Ganda, yung egg na sa ibabaw. Ayan. So, I also got this parang sabi ni Kuya, yung bantay doon parang meat and eggs na on rice. Obvious bang gutom kami. Huli namin kain was 12 noon pa. Trixie got, what did you get?
This is salty ramen with seaweed and clam broth.
Seaweed and clam broth?
Yeah, salty ramen. I hope it's not too salty. And then I just got a small hand roll.
Hand roll. Tuna hand roll. And ano to?
Chicken gizzard.
Chicken gizzard na may ponzu. Stigo.
Yeah.
Yan, chicken gizzard na may ponzu. So, kain kami. Yan guys, so let's start with the appetizers. Ito yung aking onigiri. Talagang the Japanese are known for their eggs. So, ba't ko natawa rin? So, I'm gonna try it out. Itong egg pork na onigiri.
Just try it.
One of the better onigiris I've had. Sobrang subtle ng soy flavor ng rice. Bihira ako makita ng onigiri actually na brown rice na may soy. Usually yung white eh. Sarap nito. Sobrang okay, mga 7 out of 10. Next, si Trixie na-discover nito. Yung chicken gizzard with green onions with ponzu. So, kami na naglagay ng ponzu sauce niya. Ayun ako nakita ng chicken gizzard from a convenience store. So, ito guys, yung mga mahilig sa mga entrails. Yung mga gizzard, sarap. Hmm. Excited ako dito. Favorite dish ko to eh. Nanban karaage. So karaage, fried chicken fillet with egg salad or tartar sauce on top. This looks good. Hindi tinipid sa tartar sauce. Parang Pilipinas lang eh, no?
Hindi
Sulit,
tinipid.
hindi tinipid. Mura. Masarap.
Like,
Si Broski Jack yung naalala ko dito sa Nanban Karaage. Every time punta kami sa restaurant, ito yung na-hunting namin eh. Weird lang. Sabi ng bantay sa 7-Eleven, wag daw initin.
cold.
Kasi cold daw siya na appetizer. Or cold snack. So, siguro, dahil baka pag microwave mo, maluluto yung egg salad.
Ah, tama.
By the way, ranking ko nito nasa 8.5 out of 10. Kahit na malamig siya.
Talaga.
Let's try the interesting noodles, na cup noodles. Ano raw siya, parang miso soup na maanghang. Sabi ni Trixie. Mas type mo to. Very subtle flavor. Hindi ako ganyang klaseng noodles. Mas gusto ko yung medyo bold. Bold. Guys, finally, ang aking main course. Feeling ko parang siyang dun eh. Minced beef or pork. May kasama siyang pickled ginger, gari, and egg. Dati in order ko may egg eh, no? There's a pattern here.
Is it interesting?
Pwede na. Ito equivalent nila ng tawid gutom meal. Yung sobrang lasa ng meat nilagay nila kahit sobrang nipis. Tapos may konting acid or pickle with the gari and pickled ginger.
Ano yung
Tapos
isa?
yung egg yolk lang
egg
na
ba
minions. Galing. Parang siyang alam mo yung rice savers ba? Yung sa 7-Eleven sa Pilipinas yung may sisig. So parang siyang ganun. Yung hindi mo alam kung mystery meat to, kung beef or pork. No, 6 out of 10 to.
Oo nga. Parang rice saver meal vibe.
So guys, kwento na rin namin. Kaya kami nasa Japan ngayon. It's my belated birthday gift from Trixie. Nag-birthday ako ng January. Sabi niya, wala akong regalo sa'yo, pero nag-book ako ng flight to Tokyo. Ito nga.
Kasi nakto ko na cherry blossom. Kasi naka-cherry blossom ka na ba sa Tokyo?
Never.
Na Japan. Yun. So, 2 years ago, nagpunta kami dito. Pero it was way earlier than cherry blossom time. Akala namin cherry blossom na yung nakita namin, di pala.
Posing kami ng posing, mali pala.
So, sabi ko, sige, yung next namin punta, cherry blossom.
Anong puno daw yan? Plum?
Plum ba? Hindi ko alam eh.
Basta yung sabi ng mga kaibigan namin, hoy, hindi cherry blossom yan. Kakulay lang. Guys, di ako pwede kumain na walang dessert. So, I got this strawberry panna cotta. Also from 7-Eleven. I hope it's panna cotta. Wala siyang English translation eh. Buksan natin.
Pudding.
May strawberry naman. Yan. Medyo siya. Yung medyo dense. Hindi siya yung parang cream. At saka yung jelly niya medyo scary. Yung ang lapot. Tingnan natin. Ito yung masarap. Titong-tito sasabihin ko. Hindi masyado matamis. Di ba?
But,
Parang may konting weird na tea na flavor akong napipick up. Probably my favorite of the night, itong pudding na to. Good job, 7-Eleven. Naitawid mo ang aming gutom tonight. The next few days, mag-explore na tayo ng mga real restos and other convenience stores, di ba?
Restos Family Mart.
Hanggang, that's it for day 1. Bye! Guys, nagsusnow. It's a wet and snowy morning for us. It's cold. 3 degrees, so hanap muna kami breakfast. Okay guys, kanya-kanyang lagay ng itlog pala dito. So, they have this nice handy gadget for sorting out the egg whites and the yolk. So, I'm gonna use it. Yeah. Wow, it's a raw egg. Naisip na nila lahat. Galing oh. Nasalo niya yung egg. Tapos may bowl sila para sa shell. Then, ayan oh. And then, all I have to do is put the egg yolk. Yan, alisin ko muna yung white. Okay, and then put the egg yolk on top. Wow. It's so cool. Uy, ako doon for breakfast. Oh man, perfect for this super snowy morning. And we also got layu, chili oil. It's my first time having uyako doon ng char grilled. Super warm. Kudos to our hotel concierge for pointing us here.
Oo nga, sabi ng hotel concierge naman. Ito daw masarap. Nakita namin ito kahapon eh.
Oishi.
Bread ko.
Hey guys, since we're doing Harry Potter, might as well do their famous butter beer. Cheers. Did you get the alcoholic version? O walang alcoholic version? Kasi theme park to it.
Yeah, wala. It's just one word.
Yeah. Sarap. Very refreshing. This is called the Backlot Cafe. This is your signal that you're halfway through the, what do you call this? You're halfway through the tour. The tour's around 4 hours. We're 2 hours in. So yeah. Then we're, balik na kami sa loob. Ito yung favorite, this is my favorite part of the tour so far.
Yun lang naiintindihan mo.
Cheers. So coffee stop muna kami at medyo pagod na sa namin, Harry Potter tour. So to, may mochi ball na croissant, red bean, and yung favorite ko na brown sugar syrup. The coffee is okay lang. This is drip coffee I got. Brazil siya, single origin. So yan, so break muna kami ha. May nakita rin si Trixie na may nakita si Trixie na chicken skin vending machine. Only in Japan, guys. Bagay daw sa rice and beer, nakasulat sa picture. She's getting the chicken skin ball. Is it frozen? I don't know. Because it's frozen. Look, it's frozen 24. Yan sa baba. Wag na to. Talo to. Paano namin iinitin to? Ito sa next na lang. Meron dito sa vending machine na to. Gugutom kami sa kaka-commute eh.
Sweet na.
Puro sweet. Mga waffle and Danish. Ay, ni Trixie. Nagamit siya ng savory. Hanap kami next vending machine. Saan ito? Frozen eh. Pero astig sana yun kung ready to eat. Sabi ko, paano yun?
Bili tayo. Tapos i-microwave natin sa...
Oo. At teka, hinintay lang namin mag-thaw out yung aming biniling Bili mo na kami yung ticket. May vlogger na nagre-record dun eh. Yeah, vlogger. Okay guys, we made it. We made it to this Zeitakudon. It's a Kaisekidon place. We rushed here from the subway, from our hotel. Binaba muna namin yung gamit namin. May hingal ng konti kasi sabi 9 o'clock nagsara. Yung punto, pagkadating namin, kami na yung last customers, pinayagan. And I think 9 o'clock is perfect. Ayan, pinapa-order na kami kasi kami na yung last customer. Cold sake. Ayan, so naka-order na kami. Sakto-saktuan and walang pila kasi kami nga yung last. Okay, warning lang. For those who wanna try this place out, we will put it in the description.
Ang hirap lang niya hanapin kasi nasa gilid
Tago siya, parang eskinita siya.
Tapos may tinanungan kaming Japanese dude kung saan siya. Tapos bigla lang siyang nagpanic. Tapos parang okay lang, wag mo na kami tulungan kasi sobrang na-stress.
No, that's the good part about the Japanese culture, diba? They're
They
gonna
really
go,
wanna help you.
they'll go out of their way to help you. Eh, hindi niya mahanap. So
Hindi
parang
mahanap.
stress na stress siya. Parang siya,
Parang sila,
oh my gosh.
yes.
Pero kasi it's this building, yung pala, sa gilid ng building. So yun, guys. Hopefully masarap kasi we've been hearing good things about it. And I hope it's the right place. Kasi baka mamaya panic kami tapos mali pala. So yeah, we'll show you guys the meal. Sulit yung stress. Yung wasabi, melt here. So now that my bowl is 1/3 full, they put soup, a bit of soy. So that's how you finish your meal. Gagawin nilang parang lugaw, no? So parang part 2 na siya. Naging lugaw na siya. And then you add in a bit of your leftover sashimi. So you put it inside. Yung mas gusto mo yung lugaw eh. Yung sobrang briny ng seafood taste na to. Hindi masarap. Simot naman. Grabe yun. What a meal, guys. What a meal. Highly recommended.